I did not expect to love this taco salad recipe so much, but I am telling you, I have fallen hard for it. So has Adam. We are loving the highly seasoned beef and that dressing. It's basically a cilantro lime ranch, which I'd probably be happy spooning over just about anything. For the base, choose something crisp and light like romaine or an iceberg. Next, the toppings. I love some fresh tomato or pico de gallo. You can of course buy it, but I love making the recipe that's on the blog. We've got tomato, onion, lots of cilantro, lime, jalapeno, and some salt. It's really quick, and since we made it ahead of time, it kind of sits and gets all delicious while we make that dressing that I probably oversold in the beginning, but I'm telling you, it is so good. If you like ranch, try it. It's got fresh cilantro, fresh jalapeno, fresh lime, and bonus, it works on just about anything. So then for the meat, I'm using beef, but you can use anything, turkey, chicken, whatever, and then our homemade spice blend, which I have to tell you is so much better than the packets. Okay, so let's build this thing. You've got your lettuce, your dressing, your pico, the beef, avocado, cheese, crunch from tortilla chips, and then more dressing on top. Enjoy!